I'm with Dr. Biram Bradil. So what do you want to say to other doctor, physician?
Sure, yeah. So this is important because the colleges, the licensing bodies for physicians in Canada right now are really going hard at the physicians. They're dictating what they can and can't do with their patients. And this is very important because, that's obviously a problem. But one thing I want people to understand is for those physicians that don't agree with the vaccine mandates and all the things that are going on right now in the context of medicine and how it's being practiced, what I want you to understand is I understand that many of you are afraid, and we see that. We see that among the police. While there's police officers who are too afraid to speak up because they're afraid they're going to lose their job, well, they're not. They have fellow police officers who are losing their job. Well, for the physicians that are out there, and I am working with many, many physicians right now, if you're afraid to speak up right now because you're worried about losing your job, you need to keep in mind that while you don't speak up, while you refuse to speak up, you have many, many colleagues who are trying to speak up or are actively speaking up and losing their jobs, having their licenses pulled or their licenses limited. And Canadians all over need to understand right now, if you are not currently part of the solution, then you are part of the problem. It's not okay to stay silent and not stand up right now. We need Canadians all over, especially physicians, especially among the physicians. If you don't believe in what's going on right now, you have to stand up right now and fight for the rights of your patients and for the rights of all Canadians and their freedoms. Because again, if you remain silent now, then you are complicit, and that means you are a part of the problem. So please, step out of this fear. Step out from the shroud of fear and speak up and do what's right.